Alright folks, so this morning I was not able to install the crankshaft because in the rear main bearing that this cap has two grooves and um, both grooves will take two different kind of oil seal. One is the rubber seal in the thinner groove, the outer groove, and the inner groove takes the rope seal. However, in my Tisco kit, this is the kit number. It doesn't have that rope seal. I do see this is inside. There is a pack which contain. By the way, when I received this pack, I noticed there was a slot cut this way, so it has been open for some reason, and this pack came like this with a duct tape on it. So I doubt this was shipped like this. It has been tempered or altered the contents. Anyway, so in this pack I do have my other seal, this rubber seal. This is the other side of the cam. So this seal will go inside this groove, outer groove, but I don't have the rope seal in this kit. So anyway, somehow it's missing. I will find out because I received this kit from my machinist. So I will check, maybe somehow it has been removed or missed. So I'll check. But anyway, what I did, since it's Sunday and I cannot wait, so what I did is I went to Summit Racing close to my place, and I asked them if they have some kind of rope seal. So they said like, yes, they do. And this is the one I got from them. It has two pieces and they look like similar. That should have come with this kit. So what I did, they opened it for me. That's a good part of Summit Racing. They let you take a look, have a feel, and see if it will fit before you buy. So they opened the pack, cut it, and gave it to me in my hand. I took this cap with me, so I put it there and see if it will fit, and seems it's gonna fit. So that's why I bought. So how much it cost? It cost me $7.47, including tax and some drive time, half an hour drive one way. Anyway, so I got this, but if you notice, this kit, rope seal kit, came with this thing, and I believe this is the tool. It says to properly install the rear main bearing seal, it is necessary to remove the crankshaft and install both seal halves as a pair. Clean mating surfaces, cap, block, and groove of cap. You may wish to use a degreaser. Remove nick and scratches, if any, from the crankshaft sealing surface using a crocus cloth. Install new sealing. Rope seal. Install the seal into the groove of the cap and block by firmly pressing the packing into the groove using a packing tool. So this is the packing tool. I'm going to put this here and I will show you. See, these are two of them, and let me see if it allow me to. There are some numbers and coding. PR11749050, and this one is PR11749060. Anyway, looks like both are tools, but one is little thicker. Oh yes, so difference is one says 05 and one says 06, and 05 is thicker, mean wider, and this one is thinner, 06. And if I use this tool and try to place it in the groove, it perfectly fits in the groove. And if I take the other one and try to place in this one, or again, yeah, this one seems a little loose, this one seems to be tighter. So anyway, this is a tool. I believe they don't want you to use any hard material like a screwdriver or anything that may scratch the surface, and it has to be exactly wide enough to get the proper push into the groove. So anyway, this is a tool, you will get it. I am taking a risk here, hoping this seal will do the same work. Even I'm not sure it's gonna be, it is for the same Ford tractor model or not, but seems like it's same. And this rope seal, when I open it, it's kind of sticky, like oily already. So in other places I read you have to soak it in oil and blah blah blah. I believe it's already done, and once I'll install it, I will soak it after the installation, not before, because I know the property it has is to swell after getting some oil. I believe that's how it's going to be. Anyway, so this is it, and I am ready to proceed. I will install these seals and move on to installing the crankshaft. All right folks, that's all I have. Bye.